I'm working under the large animal clinic. Information about the treatment and herbal therapy medicine. So if we want to talk about the treatment, we need to talk a little bit about the disease, because treatment comes for something, or for some problem is coming. Problem is the disease for animals. So animal always got infection. Normal people, they didn't know what's cause of this infection, or why this animal is sick, why is this animal so. The disease is, there is many kind causes of disease. We can go through the classifications: disease to viral disease, or bacterial disease, or parasite related diseases, or nutrition diseases. This is just shortly topic. We talk a general about everyone one by one, because we treat these diseases. We want to do treatment for these diseases. So viral disease, just example, foot and mouth disease, FMD, limb skin disease, LSD, other bronchial viral diarrhea, infectious rhino, and also rabies. Also there is other many virus can infect the animal. So this virus is considered the smallest pathogen to hit the animal. This one is the very dangerous factors affect to the animals. Almost of virus, there is no treatment at all. No treatment for virus. We cannot treat the virus. When viruses come, this is big problem. Face to the owners, face to the veterinarians, also face everyone. So the virus is very dangerous, because we need to treat the animals or to reduce the symptoms and let the animals make immunity antivirus for itself. But some virus, we should display the animals actually, or kill the animals, or send it out. So like FMD, we can vaccinate it to prevent the animal before the viruses come. We give vaccination every 6 months to prevent the animals. Lymph skin disease also can give vaccine before the livestock or the disease is coming. We give vaccine for every 10 months or 1 year. Should we give vaccine? If we didn't give vaccine, the animal will get infected by this virus. Then there is no treatment. We lose a lot. Just examples, FMD and lymph skin disease. This one is faced almost of farmer in Malaysia. This one is the big problem. When the sickness come, outbreak is come, they lose a lot of animals. They lose a lot of money for treatment of virus disease. Symptoms of FMD, the symptoms you can see the signs is big lesion in the mouth, lesion in the hoof. This is the main symptoms. But also there is other symptoms. Animals is got high fever, animal stop eating, animal stop moving, they become weak until they come down. In this case, you cannot treat it because the virus don't have any antivirus species. But we can give vaccine for other animals to prevent the farm. Another viral skin examples, lumbar skin disease. The symptoms is very clear in the skin. You can see the nodules in the skin. Actually, they stop eating, like dizzy, not moving. Then the nodules start coming in the skin, bigger and bigger until explosion. When the explosion in this stage, the animals has already got some disease. In this case, sometimes we can help the animal for recovery to give some vitamin and some antibiotic to reduce the secondary infection. But sometimes we need to kill the animals also get out. So before this disease hit our animals, we need to give vaccine regularly. Every 10 months we should vaccination the animal. We go for the bacterial disease. There is many bacterial disease, more than 30 or 40 times or maybe more affect the animal and human. Also, the problem they affect the animals. Sometimes we need to do a lot of tests to know what kind of bacteria. But in general, I will give example like brucellosis. Brucellosis disease, they hit the adult animals, female and male also. The symptoms that are more dangerous for this pathogen is they lead to pregnant animal abortion. They release the baby. Whatever what age of the baby, when the bacteria hit the animals, the babies come out. We call this one abortion. So this one is very dangerous, and they call it zoonotic disease. That's mean this bacteria can transmit to the human also, and makes same problem. So in men, they heat the genetic system. They heat the bone, the testis. And the animal sometimes, the male can be carrier for this pathogen. When they go for meet the cow, the female, they transmit this bacteria. Then they need problem also. So how to prevent the animal for this disease? We can give vaccination for the vaccinocitosis vaccine for this disease. Salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is one type of bacteria. They can make problem in the animals. They cause diarrhea. Diarrhea, severe diarrhea, especially in the small goat, small sheep, and the small calf. When the animal got diarrhea, if there is no any treatment, directly the animal will become down, they lose the water and they become dehydration and will die very fast. So this one also we need to protect the animal from this bacteria. Mastitis. Mastitis normally is mastitis is the problem in adult of milking cow, dairy cow. So mastitis is complicated infection. They come by many kind of bacteria. So this one, all owners should be very sensitive when they have any problem for clean the equipment, clean the farm, clean the adam, and use the disinfections all the time because this one is very sensitive to the infection by bacteria. When the animal with mastitis, we should isolate the animals because this one is very easy to transmit to the other animals. Also, we need to monitor because if they didn't cure, didn't monitor, or didn't take any action for this issue, then many people found out got mastitis in very short time. Treatment for this issue, we can use the antibiotic locally, antibiotic system. Also, we can use local cream to help for reduce the animals and project and swelling other. There is many programs to treat the mastitis, and sometimes we need to do tests to see what kind of bacteria, or sometimes we need to do the sensitive test because sometimes we give many times like antibiotic, but there is no response. So we need to see the sensitive antibiotic to bacteria. Tuberculosis, TB. This is very dangerous. Also zoonotic disease and transmit to human. For this one, we should take tests between time and time to make sure our animal is healthy and free from tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is bacterial infection. They can make the animal weak and they lose or animals have a difficult breathing, lower blood, fever, and pneumonia with chronic with coughing. So because this the bacteria is starting in the lung, the respiratory system infection, then sometimes it's secreted in the body of animals. They can find it in the lymph node through the digestive system, through the intestinal lymph node or others. Also for tuberculosis there is no specialist treatment. An issue, if we find this animal, we should kill directly. We take the animal out, then we kill him. Cannot use also for meat. That topic is parasitic related to disease. Parasite. Okay, what do we mean by parasite? Parasite, all the insect or some parasite. There is two types of parasite that can hit the animals: endoparasite or exoparasite, external parasite. So endoparasite, what we mean by endoparasite? That's mean we can find parasite inside the body of animals. Inside body of animals, we mean we can find the worm, the helminth inside the digestive system. We can find it in the stomach or in small intestinal, large intestinal, rectum. Also lung, the respiratory system, lung worms we can find also. Eyes, worm we can find, all of this called endoparasite. Also there is some protozoa like coccidia, You can find also under the
Terima kasih. Thank you to Dr. Saddam Hussein and Dr. Vijay from KM Vet Pharma. Alright, terima kasih atas perkongsian sebentar tadi.
Okay, thank you so much.